Have you ever heard of the 5,000-mile radish? What?
The what?
The 5,000-mile radish.
What's that?
Well, stick around and I'll tell you. Come on, let's go.
Hey, how you doing? On behalf of the Square Foot Gardening Foundation, I'm Rick Bickling, the How Do Gardener. Biting into a juicy tomato fresh from your square foot garden, the simple delight of seeing a ripe carrot that's ready for the kitchen as you pull it out of the soil, snipping lettuce leaves for a fresh spring salad, knowing you have enough green beans to feed your family, potatoes to store over the winter, and fresh herbs to make your soups and stews flavorful, not wondering whether you'll have enough to feed your family or have to feed them prepackaged food filled with chemical preservatives and who knows what else. Motivation for growing your own depends on your situation. For some, it's all about flavor. For others, it's a matter of food security and regaining control of where your next meal is coming from, or knowing that you'll actually even have a next meal. Consider the humble radish. You grab a bunch from your grocery store, slice a few up, and add them to a salad. Pretty simple, right? But what was involved in getting that radish from the field to your kitchen? Only 3.8% of commercially grown radishes worldwide are grown in the United States. That zesty little slice hiding under a crouton most likely traveled over 5,000 miles to reach your kitchen. How much fuel was used to plant, grow, harvest, store, and transport that radish? What chemicals or contaminants did that radish come in contact with? How long did it take to reach your salad? How many nutrients did it lose along the way? And how many things could go wrong along the way that would prevent that radish from reaching you? Now ask those same questions about each and every item you purchase from your grocery store. When you think about it, the physical act of grabbing those radishes from the produce section of your grocery store played only a minuscule role in them actually ending up in your salad. When Mel Bartholomew developed the Square Foot Gardening Method, his message was simple: grow more of your own food in less space with less waste while cutting costs, using less water, fewer seeds, and with less work. Gardening should be fun, simple, and easy to understand. He founded the Square Foot Gardening Foundation to take gardening all over the world and help everyone become a little more self-sufficient and a little healthier. Square Foot Gardening is a very condensed, natural, sustainable, organic method for anyone from ages 4 to 94. But it's more than just a gardening method used by millions of people worldwide. It's a philosophy. It's a way of life. A very good way of life.
If you can break life down as your garden into individual square feet, then you have very little to take care of, and it's very easy. And you think, I can do that today. And once you do one little square foot, suddenly you're ready to do 2 square feet, and then all the surrounding ones. And before you know it, you've done your whole garden, whether it be weeding or watering or taking care of it. And I've seen several articles that indicated that square foot gardening would be a good philosophy of life. If you could break your life down into individual little compartments and then solve those little things, you'd have a much better, happier, peaceful life.
I don't think I could have said it any better myself. Visit our website at squarefootgardening.org.